I've done over 100,000 miles in it. I'm a multiple Guinness World Record holder. I've filmed with every TV station, and I had the honour of filming with David Jason.
Oh, did he?
He's a lovely, lovely
Yeah.
man. I've been on Top Gear,
Wasn't very.
but David Jason, no disrespect to any of the others, he was one rung up the ladder above all the. He couldn't stop asking me questions, and he's a lovely, lovely man. You can have a sit in it if you want.
Yeah.
Only if you can find the.
Go on, you have to show me. I ain't got a clue. Oh, it's there. Oh, wow.
And then we've got cameras all round.
Yeah. Wow.
Give it a little blip if you want.
I'm like a kid in a toy shop. Wow, what a machine.
See, I'm a lot taller than you.
Yeah.
See where it's dirty here?
Yeah, that's where your arm
Well,
is.
that's it. I sit on the motorways like that. It is so comfy.
I can believe that.
I've got an S-Class Merc, and this is more comfortable on a long journey than my Mercedes.
Surprising, because are they Land Rover wing mirrors? Yeah. I only say that because I used to have one, and you can see everything, can't you?
Well,
Vision round, it's a fantastic vision.
it is, yeah.
Cameras as well.
But that one, oh, I can't do it now because the van's there. But if I stand just out there,
Yeah.
so we look in the mirror, there's nothing there. There's a car just coming into here. It's only just out there.
Yeah.
Even though the mirror's quite good.
Yeah. It's that blind spot, isn't it? What a machine.
But it gets better.
As well.
Yeah. Race it. So I beat a V8 Mustang last weekend.
Wow.
Drag race. So I drive to the shops in it.
Right.
I used to take my daughter to school in it when she was at school. So I can do all the normal things. Then it's really comfy to do long distances.
Yeah.
Then I race it, set world records, Guinness World Records. I tow with it.
Tow with it as well.
So I'll tow a trailer with some of my other creations on. Then, when I'm away at weekends,
Yeah.
you need somewhere to sleep.
Oh my God.
I said that. Does he sleep in it?
So I've got lights,
Oh.
double bed, and heating. All the controls are up there.
There we are.
Because I don't do the cold, so socially I drink. I don't drink the rest of the
No.
So quite apart from last night, it was lovely to set up last night.
Wow.
I'm going to get into bed. It's like 8 degrees with 10 degrees.
Yeah.
So I'll put the heat on. So bring it up to temperature. Because what happens when you're full of drink? It's 2 o'clock in the morning, it gets warm. And the heating doesn't turn on and off, it just turns down. Chinese teachers will go, fantastic. But if it's not really hot, the temperature keeps picking up.
Yeah.
And I've woken up in there at 25, 26 degrees. My tongue was bone dry, right? Absolutely bone. And I touched my tongue, and it was like touching this. You know, oh no! Trying to get a bit of saliva going. I opened the door.
Wow.
That's mental.
But, yeah, and that folds up. That goes up there, and then that goes in the back. That was in the back of the BMX in the back.
That's
You tell me any other vehicle in the world that is that
Nah.
versatile.
Yeah. None.
You say you can drive that as well?
Yeah, I've got all the lights in it. drove it over there last night.
It's very creepy, isn't it?
That's just the wind here.
It definitely needs a sponsorship from Odie's Oil America. Definitely, don't you, Kevin? 100%.
So getting sponsorship in this country,
Yes.
no, because the businesses are all run different.
Yeah, they are.
After I'd done this about 2 years, somebody said to me, he said, if you'd have been in America with that, he said you'd be a millionaire.
You would be, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
And I said, should I go to America?
That could
I've
be.
got people who want me to take it all over the world, but I haven't got that sort of budget.
No, but if you had someone that would,
Yeah.